Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, I'm Kristen and today is Wreath Wednesday. I'll be making a few different spring type wreaths. I'm super excited to show you guys, so let's jump right in. So before I get started, I wanted to show you guys what I recently purchased. It is by Sharponder and it is a glue skillet, and I wanted it specifically to make wreaths. And this is the first time I opened it. I am so excited. So all you do is plug it in, add these little glue beads, whatever they're called. They're specifically for this skillet. Turn it on and it melts them, and then all you have to do is just dip your florals in. It made everything so much easier. So you're going to see I did not use a hot glue gun except maybe 1 or 2 times for something very specific. So I picked up this wooden beaded wreath from Hobby Lobby. This is when I could use a coupon, so it was $9.99 and then 40% off. And I'm just using some eucalyptus from Walmart, and I'm just going to be cutting them down, and then like I said, I'm just going to be dipping them into this glue skillet. So if you're like, how did you get these on there? I did actually have to go back on some of these and use some floral tape. I didn't have any on hand at the time, but I did end up going back just to secure these a little bit more. Because with the wood beads, everything kind of rolled around. I've never actually used one of these before, but I couldn't wait. The glue does fully melt, but I couldn't wait for it. Couldn't wait. I was just overly excited. I'm also going to be using some of these roses from Dollar Tree and then just adding them to the center. These are very, very easy wreaths. I think these are all great for spring. They're all inexpensive, they're super pretty, and they don't take a lot of time to make. This is also a collab with Nadia from DIY with Nadia, and each week she does a Wreath Wednesday, and she asked me to do a Wreath Wednesday with her, and of course I said yes. She makes some super cute wreaths. She makes some really great budget-friendly decor, so make sure you check out her channel. I will leave it in the link in the description box below. This next wreath, I'm just using all Dollar Tree items, no glue needed. I love these little grapevine wreaths because you can just push the flower stems right in. I love these little fuzzy flowers from Dollar Tree. I think I used about 10 bunches. I ended up adding like 1 or 2 more after this and kind of rearranging them just a little bit because I didn't love the way it looked. But this was really easy. It took about 3 to 4 minutes to make, maybe a tiny bit longer, but like I said, if you're just wanting to do some sort of wreath, like a quick wreath, if you're wanting to just do a quick craft over the weekend, this is definitely the wreaths for you. All of these. They were all so simple to make. For this one, I will be using a wreath ring. These were from Walmart. You got 3 for $2.98, and I'm just using the larger one along with some more of this eucalyptus from Walmart, and then I'm just cutting it down. I did put it on a foam piece of board because I did not want to leak the glue all over the carpet. This is where I did actually have to use some floral tape because the glue just did not hold these the way I wanted. They kept kind of falling off, so I didn't show that obviously because I didn't have it on hand when I was doing the video, but I did end up having to go back. So don't use glue, just use floral tape. Be the bigger person when it comes to making wreaths, not the one that I was doing on this day. I want to make wreaths. I don't have all the stuff for it, but I'm going to make it anyways. These cute little flowers were also from Dollar Tree, and then I'm just going to be adding them to the center. I also did end up adding these cotton pads to the sides of the flowers, and these are also from Dollar Tree, and that is all I did for this wreath. And for this one, I'm just going to be using another wreath from the Dollar Tree and then some greenery from the Dollar Tree as well. And I did just cut all this down, and I'm going to be adding it all around the wreath to make it full. I did want the little grapevine part to kind of stick out because I thought that was pretty and it kind of reminds me of spring, so I did leave some of that out as well. So I thought the wreath was full enough. I'm just going to be using these little orange tulips. These are from Walmart. I thought the orange was just really pretty, and I just wanted to add some color to this. So I'm just going to be cutting them down and then just adding them around. I did kind of mess around with these a couple times to get them the way I wanted, but in the end, I think it turned out really cute. And for this last one, I'm using a bamboo wreath and these faux moss stones. And I'm just going to be taking my hot glue gun. This is a Surebonder dual temp glue gun. I love it. And I'm just going to be adding all these faux moss stones around. You do kind of have to hold them down so they do stay. My patience level is just, it's never good. It's never great. So I like to get things done in a hurry. This is another really fast wreath as well. I wasn't really sure what I was doing here. These bamboo wreaths are definitely not my favorite because I feel like they are never in a perfect circle. And like I said, hold the moss stones down until the glue is dry or they will move like you can see mine did. That happens. That is just a little rookie mistake that I made. And then these little florals are from Dollar Tree as well. And I just cut them down and just shoved them inside or like in between the faux moss stones just to give it a little bit of extra. And to end this, I did end up wrapping some twine around. I feel like this just needs something else. So let me know in the comments below if this needs something else or it looks good the way it does. But you guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, I would love if you hit that subscribe button down below. Also, don't forget to check out Nadia's video. I will leave hers in the description box below. That's it. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!